Alright guys, I got some mirrors in the mail and they are sweet, but see, the bracket's too small for this bracket. This is a 10mm and this is a 8mm. So I've decided to return them. I called Honda of Houston and the mirrors are only 10 bucks. So I'm returning these, but Amazon is making me return it at my nearest Kohl's for some reason. So I hate when I put my keys in my pocket, cause then I can't get them once I have my gloves on. I got the little mirror clamp, so whenever I get the new mirror in, I'm gonna just flip the mirrors. I'm gonna do a how-to video. It's real easy. This is the clamp that you got to get. It's like $5 for the pair on eBay. And I'm gonna just put this one on this side and then get the other one and put it on this side. And then the right mirror will go on the left side, and then the left side mirror will go on the right side, but just, you know, opposite. My visor has I forget what it's called, but it tints itself. I don't have to have sunglasses because it automatically tints. You see all that oil in the middle of the street? You guys be careful with that stuff. Make sure you're driving on either the left side or the right side. If you take the MSF course, they'll teach you that. They'll tell you about it. There are times where you have to drive in the middle, but it's not all the time. So for the most part, you're going to be driving either on where the left tire of the car would hit all the time, or the right tire would hit all the time. And you'll be safer that way. There's less debris, you know, no oil like from the car, so it's not as slick. Less rocks, just everything. Just because, you know, that's where the tires go, so they kick everything up from there. I don't know where I'm supposed to turn into Kohl's. Ah, fuck, I missed it. I'll turn it into McDonald's. I don't care. Damn it, it's not McDonald's either. Ah, it's right here. Well, this is another one. I know this isn't the right one, but it's whatevs. What's so cool about a motorcycle is I could literally just kind of park anywhere I want, really. Just like that. They're like that. They're like that. Alright guys, I'm back on the road we go. I'm going to my friend's shop. He has a car shop. I'm gonna see if he can fix the dent on my motorcycle, which is right there, and see how much it's gonna cost doing that. My friend wasn't here, so I couldn't really I couldn't go with him. I couldn't talk to him and be like, yo, they're quoting me. So I'm definitely not getting it fixed there. So I'm about to go to a different place right now that I'm already out and I already got the bike out, and see how much they charge me. It's a collision repair place, so I don't know, it might be a little cheaper, but I guess we'll just see. So that's pretty cool. What does it say? Send nudes. That's dope. It says send nudes. Send nudes. That's funny as fuck. Yo, that's hilarious as fuck. Supportive. Yo, this guy supports, son. He rides. I know he rides. He has to ride. I mean, he's got the sticker. That's pretty cool. Oh, dude, the send nudes guy. He's gonna think I'm following him. So is this guy going left or right? Oh, he's going right. Makes sense. Makes sense. Will I make the green light? Nope, I won't. Fuck. But I can do this little thing right here. It's called cutting. What? Bro, you guys don't even know what's going on right now. They don't even know what hit them. They think they're all fine and whatnot, but little did they know I just fucking cut the whole. Look, the Sand Dunes guy's there. Ah, this we are. CSI Collision. That's where we're headed. See what they could do for me with my gas tank. Look at that shit. So, alright, I just got off of, what is this place? CSI Collision, paint, body, and frame. This guy, I want you guys to guess how much he's charging me. Guess. The other place was charging me $580. How much do you guys think this guy was charging me? Now, mind you, a brand new one costs $498 or $490 something. Before you keep watching this video, in the comments below, put how much you think. Pause it and type in how much you think he's charging me. Guys, he is charging me $150. That's a really good price. That's a really good price, considering the alternates, right? Go ahead. I don't wanna die. That's why I let you go first. I wasn't trying to be nice. I just don't want to die. You know what I mean? I don't want to die. Oh, look at that shit. That shit's dope. Damn. I wouldn't know what kind of car that was. I didn't really get to see the full. I just saw that it was an older car. It was a classic car. It's kind of scary crashing into that shit. Fuck. If someone like were to run me over and shit, imagine crashing that would decapitate my head. I honestly think it would decapitate my head. It's a beautiful day. It's just really hot here in Texas. Well, in Houston. No, I wouldn't say Texas. I know Texas is hot, but there's some parts that are... You know what? It's not the heat, it's the humidity. It feels like you're in a swamp here. Here in Florida, you're just in a swamp.